in my opinion and in my observation, one of the main reasons why it is difficult to focus on enjoyments is because we actually prioritize pain. Not only when it's occurring, but like by default, we prioritize pain. And a lot of times we're not even aware that we're prioritizing pain and discomfort. So what do I mean by this? When you look at your enjoyment, right? Or when you look at when you engage things you enjoy, you'll probably notice that it is more likely that you engage enjoyments when major discomforts are present, right? Meaning like I'm so stressed out and I should go on a vacation, or I'm feeling all this pressure. Maybe I should go eat, at my favorite restaurant, or go to my favorite place, go to the beach, engage my activity, train, right? Because I'm feeling this pressure. In this scenario, the priority is discomfort, because that's the only time you engage your enjoyment. When there's no discomfort, you don't engage your enjoyment. So
Oh, interesting.
yeah, it's such a simple principle, but when I pointed this out in the workshop titled "The Power of Enjoyments," this is where the light bulbs went off, because it's simply pondering the question: when do I engage the things that I enjoy?